Find or read reviews that people are talking about WATTSMART 15.7 pounds portable washing machine. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Multifunctional, 10 Pro Care cycles. This portable washing machine features 10 wash programs plus 6 water level settings, with intuitive and easy operation. Customize your ideal washing cycle from gentle to intensive to meet all laundry needs, including soaking, washing, rinsing, and spinning. Sanitized inner wall design, baby-safe grade drum featuring an AG+ nano silver ion-coated inner tub and self-cleaning program. Perfect for families, this washing machine features a sanitized inner wall that's safe and friendly for mothers and babies. Keep your laundry clean and healthy for everyone in the household. Exclusive Waterfall cleaning mode, 15.7 pounds space-saving power equipped with high-speed centrifugal pump and water curtain. Experience a deep clean with exclusive Waterfall mode. Strong centrifugal force removes dirt effortlessly, ensuring your clothes are thoroughly washed and looking fresh. Energy-efficient performance. Exceeds DOE standards with less water and lower energy use. Max 800 RPM. Save money on your bills with our laundry machine, more energy efficient compared to standard machines, helping you live green while saving cash. Smart 24-hour delay start. Take full control of your laundry routine with this washing machine's 24-hour programmable delay function. Simply load your clothes, set the desired wash cycle, and choose a start time, within 24 hours, that fits your day whether you're at work, asleep, or off-peak to save energy. Wake up to fresh laundry or come home to a finished load, no more waiting around. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.